Hello everyone, a very fresh good morning to all of you. How are you all today? I hope you all are fine and safe, right? So students, this is our third video lecture of EVS, chapter number 8, circulatory system and excretory system. So students, as we all know that we have completed the explanation part of this chapter. So today we are going to start the exercises of this chapter. Okay, so let's start. Objective type questions. Question A. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. Question number 1. Dash. Organisms or organ systems works together so that our body can function normally. Which of these can works together so that our body can function normally? So the answer is organ systems. So all the organ systems works together so that our body can function normally. So students, हमारी बॉडी को नॉर्मली फंक्शन करने के लिए क्या चाहिए कि हमारी जितनी भी ऑर्गन सिस्टम्स है, राइट, अवर बॉडी हैज़ so many organ systems. When they organ systems they works together, then and then only our body can function normally. Okay, and all the organ systems comes together, they works together, and then they form an organism. Then question number 2. The dash circulatory or excretory system help to transport substances within the body. Which organ system help to transport substances within the body? Yes, it is circulatory system. The circulatory system help to transport substances within the body. Circulatory system जो है वो हमारी बॉडी में substances को transport करती है. This is the basic work of the circulatory system. Question number 3. Dash. Heart or blood is a fluid that is carried by blood vessels to all part of the body. What is fluid, heart or blood that is carried by the blood vessels to all part of the body? So it is blood. See, blood is a fluid that is carried by blood vessels to all parts of the body. Blood vessels के through blood जो है हमारे different body parts तक carry किया जाता है. Then the question number 4. The dash circulatory or excretory system is an organ system that help in getting rid of waste from inside our body. एक ऐसे सिस्टम एक ऐसी ऑर्गन सिस्टम जो हेल्प करती है हमारी बॉडी में जितना भी वेस्ट होता है उसको बाहर निकालने में, रिमूव करने में. सो आंसर इज एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम. The excretory system is an organ system that help in getting rid of waste from inside our body. Then question number 5. The formation of urine take place in the dash. The formation of urine takes place in the dash. Heart or kidneys. Urine जो है वो कहाँ पे form होता है? In the heart or in the kidneys? So the answer is kidneys. The formation of urine takes place in the kidneys, right? Now students, question number B. Match the following. Here they given us the two columns, column A and column B. So under the column A we have circulatory system, excretory system, arteries and veins, kidneys and heart. And under the column B we have pumping organ, blood vessels, transport of substances, removal of waste and urine formation. So students, we have to match them. So first one is circulatory system. So इनमें से कौन सा circulatory system का match है? Yes, it is transport of substances. So the basic work of the circulatory system is to transport substances to all the body parts. So match the circulatory system with the C, transport of substances. Then second one is excretory system. So the work of the excretory system is to removal of wastage. तो हमारी बॉडी के अंदर जितना भी वेस्ट होता है वो एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम उसको रिमूव करती है, राइट. सो मेन वर्क ऑफ द एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम इज टू रिमूव ऑफ वेस्ट इनसाइड अवर बॉडी, फ्रॉम द इनसाइड अवर बॉडी. देन द थर्ड वन इज arteries and veins. So these two are what? These two are the blood vessels. Arteries and veins are the blood vessels. So match third arteries and veins with the B blood vessels. Then fourth one is kidneys. So kidneys are the urine formation, because यूरिन जो है वो किडनीज के अंदर ही फॉर्म होता है. सो मैच द किडनीज विद द यूरिन फॉर्मेशन. एंड द लास्ट वन इज हार्ट. सो हार्ट इज व्हाट? लास्ट वन, मैच द हार्ट विथ ए pumping organ. Heart is a pumping organ. So circulatory system is transport of substances. Excretory system is to remove of wastage. Arteries and veins are the blood vessels. Kidneys are the urine formation. And heart is a pumping organ. So match them. Then the question number C. Choose the correct option. Question number 1. Which of these are transported by blood? Which of these are transported by blood? Options are A. Nutrients, B. Water, C. Oxygen and carbon dioxide, and D. All of this. So the answer is all of this, because blood के थ्रू न्यूट्रिएंट्स, वाटर, ऑक्सीजन एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ये सारी चीज़ें ट्रांसपोर्ट होती हैं ब्लड के थ्रू हमारी सारे बॉडी पार्ट्स में. सो द आंसर इज डी, ऑल ऑफ दिस. Then question number 2. Which of these are called blood vessels? Which of these are called blood vessels? Options are A. Ureters and kidneys, B. Heart and blood, C. Arteries and veins, and D. Urethra and bladder. So the answer is C. Arteries and veins. These two are the blood vessels. Then question number 3. Which of these help in getting rid of waste from the body? Which of these helps in getting rid of waste from the body? So the answer is C. Excretory system. Options are digestive system, circulatory system, excretory system, and none of this. So the answer is excretory system. जो ये excretory system है वो हमारी बॉडी के अंदर जितना भी वेस्ट है उसको रिमूव करने में हेल्प करता है. Then the question number 4. Which of this is not a part of the excretory system? Which of this is not a part of the excretory system? Options are A. Urinary bladder and kidneys, B. Urethra and urinary bladder, C. Urine and ureters, and D. Heart and blood vessels. So the answer is D. Heart and blood vessels, because these two are the part of circulatory system, not the excretory system. Okay, so answer is D. Heart and blood vessels. Now turn the page, students. Question number 5. Which of these organs store urine? Which of these organs store urines? Options are A. Ureter, B. Urinary bladder, C. Kidneys, and D. Urethra. Which of these organs store urine? So the answer is B. Urinary bladder. यूरिनरी ब्लैडर जो है उस ऑर्गन के अंदर यूरिन जो है वो स्टोर होता है. सो द आंसर इज यूरिनरी ब्लैडर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. विच ऑफ दिस इज नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ द सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम? विच ऑफ दिस इज नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ द सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम? ऑप्शंस आर ए. हार्ट, बी. ब्लड, सी. ब्लड वेसल्स, एंड डी. किडनीज. इनमें से कौन सा ऑप्शन सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम का पार्ट नहीं है? And the answer is D. Kidneys, because heart, blood, and blood vessels are the part of the circulatory system. So the answer is D. Kidneys. Question number 7. Where does urine get formed? Where does urine get formed? Options are A. Kidneys, B. Urinary bladder, C. Heart, and D. Blood vessels. Where does urine get formed? यूरिन जो है वो कहाँ पे फॉर्म होता है? सो द आंसर इज किडनीज. यूरिन गेट फॉर्म्ड इन किडनीज. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. विच ऑफ दिस इज अ प्रोसेस बाय विच वेस्ट आर रिमूव्ड बाय द बॉडी? विच ऑफ दिस इज अ प्रोसेस बाय विच वेस्ट आर रिमूव्ड बाय द बॉडी? ऑप्शंस आर A. Circulation, B. Skeleton, C. Excretion, and D. None of this. Which of this is a process by which waste are removed by the body? इनमें से कौन सी ऐसी प्रोसेस है जिसमें हमारी बॉडी के अंदर जितना भी वेस्ट है वो रिमूव होता है? सो द आंसर इज सी. एक्सक्रीशन. बाय दिस एक्सक्रीशन प्रोसेस वेस्ट फ्रॉम आवर बॉडी रिमूव्ड. Then very short answer that questions in that A. Give 2 examples for each of the following. Question number 1. Organ systems of the body. Organ systems of the body. So we have to write down the 2 examples of it. They are circulatory and excretory. Organ systems of the body. They are circulatory system and excretory system. Then question number 2. Organs of the circulatory systems. Organ of the circulatory system. Answer is heart and blood vessels. Heart and blood vessels. These 2 are the examples of organs of the circulatory system. Question number 3. Substances that get transported within the system. Substances that get transported within the system, that is oxygen and water. Substances जो है वो हमारी बॉडी के अंदर ट्रांसपोर्ट होते हैं, राइट? बट हाउ? Substances get transported within the system. So it is oxygen and water. Then the fourth one is blood vessels. So we have to write down the 2 examples of blood vessels, and they are arteries and veins. So these 2 are the blood vessels. Last one, organs of the excretory system. Organs of the excretory system, and the answer is kidneys and ureter. These 2 are the examples of organs of the excretory system, kidneys and ureter. Then comes the question answers. So skip this question answers for now. We will do this question answers in our next video lecture in detail. Okay. Then after, let's recall. Recall and complete the concept map given below. Here they given us the 2 systems, circulatory system and excretory system. So the organs present in these systems are. So we have to write down the organs that contained by the circulatory system. So the answer is heart, blood and blood vessels. Heart, blood and blood vessels. These 3 organs that present in the circulatory system. So write down heart, blood and blood vessels. जो ये 3 organs हैं वो circulatory system में हमें देखने को मिलते हैं. Right, this 3 organs works together to form an organ system which is circulatory system. Right, the main work of the circulatory system is to transport substances to all the body parts. This is the work of the circulatory system. Now the second one is excretory system. Organs present in this system are first kidneys, second urinary bladder, third ureter and fourth urethra. These 4 organs are present in the excretory system. So this system's main work is to remove the waste from our body. हमारी बॉडी के अंदर जितना भी वेस्ट है वो यूरिन के थ्रू बाहर निकलता है, right? So this system is called excretory system, and the organs present in the systems are kidneys, urinary bladder, ureter and urethra. Okay, then let's observe. Label the given diagram. Here they given the diagram of the excretory system, and we have to label the organs. So in the excretory system, these 2 organs are called kidneys. These 2 organs are called kidneys. Then students, these two tubes are called ureter. These 2 tubes are called ureter. Then this round shaped organ, it is called urinary bladder, and the last one, this is called the urethra. So in this kidneys, urine formed here. यूरिन जो है वो किडनीज़ में फॉर्म होता है. हमारी बॉडी के अंदर जितना भी वेस्ट होता है वो यूरिन के थ्रू हमारी बॉडी में से रिमूव होता है, राइट? तो यूरिन किडनीज़ के अंदर फॉर्म होता है. फिर यूरेटर, ये जैसे आप ट्यूब देख रहे हो इसे हम कहते हैं यूरेटर. तो यूरेटर के थ्रू यूरिन जो है वो किडनीज़ में से कैरी होके ये यूरिनरी ब्लैडर में स्टोर होता है, एंड देन स्टोर होने के बाद ये यूरेथ्रा के थ्रू हमारी बॉडी में से बाहर निकलता है. सो एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम कंसिस्ट किडनीज, यूरेटर urinary bladder and urethra. Okay. Then the question number 2, name the fluid that nurse is taking for testing. ये जो nurse है वो boy का यहाँ पे टेस्ट ले रही है, राइट. टेस्टिंग के लिए वो क्या ले रही है, ब्लड और यूरिन. सो शी इज टेकिंग द ब्लड, राइट. सो राइट डाउन ब्लड. एंड विच ऑर्गन सिस्टम डज दिस फ्लूइड बिलोंग्स टू. दिस फ्लूइड ब्लड, राइट. तो ब्लड जो है वो कौन से सिस्टम से बिलोंग करता है, इट बिलोंग्स टू सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम. ब्लड बिलोंग्स टू सर्कुलेटरी system. Okay, so here students, our exercises of this chapter is over here, and your homework for the day is you have to complete all this exercise in your textbook, and if you have any query or any question, so you can drop a message. Okay, thank you everyone, have a wonderful day. Bye bye.